Hi, we are MMR, Marta and Miguel. We are both interior designers working together for more than 30 years in the Portuguese and foreign market. We love what we do, giving our full dedication to the projects we embrace, always respecting the client's wishes. Of course, only possible to achieve with our high-quality multitasking team. This is a three-story house belonging to a young couple with 2 children. The house is from the mid-90s, suffering from severe water infiltration and in need of a total renovation. Our priority was to treat and insulate foundations, floors and walls. Heated swimming pool is going to be redesigned at the client's request. Our landscape project foresees friendly playground spaces and fruit tree shades with barbecue picnic area. Our suggestion, a water well was created to feed swimming pool and garden. This basement was mainly a huge garage. We decided to create more living space for the family to spread out and play and rest. Still with plenty of space for the cars, a bathroom, a storage, a laundry, an extra bedroom. When we do a job like this, we forget about the existing water, electricity, gas, sewage systems. We eliminate the previous circuits and this way we ensure quality. En-suite and dressing room, we contemplated a total renovation from the bathroom with a walk-in shower and a freestanding bathtub. 2 big wash basins, a privé. Also, a dressing linen space was totally created in order to organize the couple's clothes.